Why beyond engineering? Building with nature is a comprehensive engineering approach that seeks to enhance the use of natural ecological processes to achieve efficient and sustainable hydraulic infrastructural designs. According to Ronald Waterman, it strives for a flexible integration of land in water and water in land, using interactions and materials present in nature. This ecosystem-based design concept has been applied in large infrastructural projects along the coast of the Netherlands and elsewhere. Take the sand engine and the Hondsbosse-Petterme sea defences. They are now called the Hondsbosse Dunes and provide examples along the Dutch coast. Or even the Maasvlakte 2 extension. This is an extension to the Port of Rotterdam. Here the Maasvlakte 2 is the yellow area in the right-hand picture, the last in a long line of extensions to Rotterdam Harbour. Did you know that the breakwater protecting Europe's largest port is made up for 70% of dunes and only 30% is a conventional hydraulic structure? You can see this in the left-hand picture. And did you realize that the marine protected area near the mouth of the harbour, the darker blue area, expanded to 25,000 hectares to compensate for the 2,000 hectares covered by the harbour extension? The livability of the surrounding area also improved for the residents. Think of the air quality and recreational areas. So, somehow, this port development in the Rhine-Meuse Delta managed to achieve benefits for the local people, the ecosystem, and the harbour. But this didn't happen easily. On the contrary, the need to listen to stakeholders became painfully apparent when the proposed extension was halted by the Raad van State, the highest general administrative court in the Netherlands, in January 2005. Following an appeal by environmentalists, fishermen, local residents and other stakeholders, the High Court drew a line through the plans for land reclamation for port expansion. But then, how did the Maasvlakte 2 come to be? At the time, Tito Vellinger was appointed head of the environmental section of the Port of Rotterdam, the Harbour Authority. He took charge of the process. Instead of first undertaking more extensive environmental and social impact studies, he decided to start with the people, to talk to the people about their values, and so get the values, what people care about, on the table at the outset. By taking people seriously and doing the required research, the Maasvlakte 2 expansion was approved by the High Court in 2009. 4 years after the original prohibition. And the Maasvlakte 2, now the red area, was realized by 2013. Our learning on the importance of listening to stakeholders in designing and realizing the extension to the Port of Rotterdam in the Rhine-Meuse Delta runs as a thread through the course, in the hope that it will inspire you to undertake stakeholder-inclusive, nature-friendly design, just as it inspired us. This course, therefore, explores why stakeholder-inclusive, ecosystem-based designs are needed in moving beyond standard hydraulic engineering. We draw on a number of international examples, from the Volta Delta and its nearest port city, Tema, in Ghana, to the Crocodile River, the Tsitsa Catchment, and the Great Bruck Estuary in South Africa, to Sierra Leone and Semarang in Indonesia. All of these cases have in common that standard engineering designs do not realize the opportunities to be found by working with people and with nature. In this course, we build on the previous Building with Nature MOOC, which distilled the hydraulic engineering and ecological design principles, the HE principles. In this course, the missing element of the social design principles, the S principles, are developed and taught. So, this course moves from the he principles to the she principles. It teaches you how to use social design principles in developing more effective and sustainable hydraulic infrastructure, with an emphasis on delta, coastal and port environments.